Welcome to today's video. In this video I want to explain a little bit why I shorted USDJPY. First of all, we can see if we just zoom out a little bit that USDJPY is actually in an uptrend, so it's making high highs, high lows, high high, high low, and so on. It's also trading above the moving average. So overall, we are bullish. However, I did a counter trend trade on USDJPY all the way back down somewhere here, so I'm not going to hold it for longer. But the reason why, first of all, I am shorting temporary is that we are currently forming or trading at this weekly high area. Let me remove my drawings. So we are trading here at weekly highs, all right? And then we could see that, I came here around January the 1st and the 3rd of January, came down, and now here we are exactly at the same zone. Now once it here rejected, here flew down, and here is starting to reject as well. So we have actually, when it came up, 1 2 3 4 rejections on this zone already, showing us that price is actually having difficulty to break to the upside, and has potential to go down at least back to this area here. All right, so this would be all weekly low. So therefore I am, based on the weekly, looking to just short from a weekly high point back to a weekly low point. If we zoom in a little bit to the daily and look into a little bit more data, then we can see that we actually did have a fake out here, so a bullish engulfing candle to the upside, and then exactly after that bearish engulfing candle came back here a little bit and then dropped. And this could also be a left shoulder, a head, and then here the right shoulder formation in total. So it's showing a lot of reversal patterns on this zone. First of all, we had that head and shoulders, but next to that we have a candlestick formation here and another candlestick formation here, showing us that price wants to fall down. So therefore I'm looking to go short on USDJPY. Now this everything is on the daily. If I just take my fib a little bit from the high point to the low point, there we could see that it actually tagged us in already here in this trade. Now I'm not in the trade with this Fibonacci, but if we go back to the 4-hour now, excuse my voice, yesterday I had fever with the COVID and now it's on my throat. But anyway, if we go back there, what can we see? Well, first of all, this uptrending structure right here has been broken here as well. So all this indicating a price wanted to go down. Now, what do I see now is that we are still trading at this weekly highs. So if I take my fib from this high point back to the low point, then we can see that it is at my region where I want to go. Excuse me, that where I want to sell USDJPY. Now right now it's coming a little bit bullish to the upside, but that's okay. It already showed us that here it came to the area, rejected it here, then we had that bearish candle now shooting up. This can leave a wick as well. Remember that this is the 4-hour time frame, so we gotta wait a little bit. This candle is going to close in 30 minutes, so let's see how it closed. Now before I enter in this trade, I do want to see some rejections. All right, so we do have an order block sitting right here, which was the fake out as well, so could perfectly come to this zone and then drop. Now for some people this is an order block as well. Not really for me, but there is structure on the 1 hour. So let us zoom in a little bit to the 1 hour and have a look. Right now, it's just making a high, a high low, come to the upside. I see it come and tag us in this order block, or this order block area right there. So before entering, I do want to see some rejections, all right? And especially, I would say on the 4-hour through 4-hour candle, rejections would be a perfect scenario, or just a break of structure on the 1 hour. We can now draw a trend line, and if it does like that, then we can enter somewhere here, and then we can go all the way to the down side. My strategy is to enter on the 71 and the 78. So if I go short right now, I see going to the 78 at least. So there we go. I put my stop loss not exactly on the 100 because this structure, so I'll put it just a little bit above. And then that would be the first target and then the second target, but let us aim for the first target. So what I do is once it comes to the zero region right here, I take 1/3 or 50% of my profit, put my stop loss obviously to break even, and let's see how far we can actually go for our next target here and here. So that's what I'm looking for on USDJPY. So basically just selling at a high point and consolidation area of the weekly. Lots of room to actually do fall down. If it hits the -27, I do actually see it come all the way to the -68 for an extended take profit target. Would be a 105. So yeah, this is my USDJPY breakdown. I am waiting for it to take a trade. Once I see some deceleration, some rejections, I'm gonna go in it. And basically, yeah, we had USD CAD this week that I missed. If I came to our entry zone and then just flew to the target, so that sucks. And then we have USDJPY that I'm looking to short. So if you guys like this content, it's totally for free that I'm doing this. Just subscribe, like it, leave a comment, and share it with the people that you think this could be a benefit from them. So if they could learn or whatever, share with the people. My course is coming up as well, which is going to be totally free. So again, if you guys appreciate that I'm not selling courses and I actually make profit from trading in the market instead of selling courses, then share with all the other people so that they can invest their hard-earned money in the trading itself instead of courses, strategies, and whatever. Take care, guys, and I see you on the next one.